I bought Fusion in the early stages. Has there been an update since? So Fusion, no. Although I am working on one. I'm going to be doing some cool updates on it. I mean, if you look around in my office, we've got this whole thing on the wall now. Can you see all these post-it notes?
What is that?
Yeah, that shit I've got to do on a daily basis. So many post-it notes. But if I don't write it down now, I forget them all. So there's some updates that I'm going to do to optimize it a little bit better. Tom, so if I bought Quant Caddy, well, I will never end up losing money if all trades end up in profit. If you manage it right, yes.
Are you serious?
If you have a £500 account and you go in at 100 lots, then no. So you still need to use common sense with risk management and having, reasonable entries. So you do have to use your noggin a little bit, yeah. It's a semi-automated tool, so you still have to put on the initial trade. So I'm not going to take responsibility for your manual entry, but yes, you're going to have to do something like that. So US dollar yen has now obviously turned black, which means what? It means what? Come on, shout at me on the chat. US dollar yen, Samuel Co trading market strength has turned black. It means what? What does it mean? Close, exit, indecision, exit, 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 indecision. Yeah, exactly. It means indecision. So that means we're just going to... Oh, blimey, I just somehow managed to lower my seat there. Small enough. It's those big legs from the gym. It is awesome. So basically that's what it means. It means exit the trade now. Even though it looks like there's still potential move to the upside, what do? We follow the rules. So it says exit. We wait for the next retracement down. To be fair, it's now coming up to 9 o'clock, which is what happens at 9 o'clock, everyone? Shout it out in the group. What happens at 9 o'clock? What happens at 9 o'clock? Market close, you can change your socks. What happens in America at 9 o'clock? There we go. New York close.
That's more like it.
So we want to make sure that liquidity drops then. So we want to be out of the market and we want to go down to the pint and enjoy what's left of the evening. Let's do a quick rundown. May 3rd event. Be nice to meet you all. Obviously, I talk to you guys all the time by Twitch, Telegram, Instagram, everything. If you haven't registered, there is free seats. Free. You heard me. Free seats. I'm educating everyone for free. So we've got free seats. You can sit there and you can listen to Forex experts, people that are wealth fund managers, advisors, people from Abu Dhabi are flying over, crypto experts, people that work in a 450 billion company. We've got ICOs, cryptocurrency owners. It's a big event. So if you can make sure that you, if you want to learn, you want to be involved in it, turn up. Absolutely do. Turn up. It'd be insane to meet you all. We've got so many people coming. It's going to be a packed out event. And what an educational evening we're going to have, all for free. So super excited about that one. Just shout out on the chat if you're going. I want to see who's going. It'd be cool to meet you guys. Cool. I can't wait either. It's to me, this is the first event in London ever to be about education that's for free. There is no sales pitch whatsoever. There is no sales pitch. We are literally discussing the Forex markets and the crypto markets. Awesome. Absolute awesome. I love it. And it's costing me an arm and a leg, so don't forget to bring my presents, obviously. And can someone record it? If I see anyone going around with a GoPro in the head of the venue, I'm pretty sure I'll stop them. How much is Fusion, Sam? It is 2.5k. It is. You can do it on finance, so it's 12 months free. Awesome. Just saw someone come and join us at our event there on my phone. Okay, does that market strength indicator come with cluster? If not, can we hold off that? Samuel Gill, it's all in one. So Samuel Co Trading market strength is an indicator, and it also comes with the cluster on the thing. It's one system together. Ben Jukes, it's down to the user, unfortunately. I don't want to provide advice on what I'd say to deposit. It's down to whatever individual wants to risk. Some tips for euro dollar. We're definitely in a down movement, aren't we? It's definitely going down, down, down. We might see a bit of a rebound though before it sells off. So look at those resistance levels. Beast mode availability. God, geez, you got a quizzing me tonight. Beast mode may be released at the May 3rd event.
Wait a minute.
To those that go to the event.
Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
So incentive to come. So it may be available at one of the tables or something like that. We've got a breakout area where people can go and talk to Samuel Co Trading. They can talk to Yieldcoin. They can talk to all these different advisors. So if people are interested in things like that, they can talk to them. So let's do a quick roundup. So we've obviously got the event. Let's paste that event again. If you haven't, make sure you join. It'd be absolutely epic to meet you guys. Want to make sure we get this event out there on social media. So if you really do like the idea of this free event, I mean, it hasn't even been blocked by Facebook. Facebook are blocking all crypto.
I'm watching you, Wazowski. Always watching.
She's nuts. Adverts, and even Facebook are saying, no, we actually like the fact that you are educating people about cryptos and the risk behind them. So even Facebook is backing that May 3rd event, which is awesome. So please do share the event on your social media, and it'll be awesome to see you guys. On top of that, we've been doing our newsletter. So my newsletter is written by me. It's holding out all the information of what I'm looking at doing on my day-to-day basis and what I'm kind of hoping for my traders to do in the markets. So that is something else. Join the FX world. So we've got FX world, we've got stock world, and if I get time in my busy schedule, I'm going to start a crypto world too, and I'll be writing about what I'm doing in the crypto space and what entries I can foresee in the crypto market. So that is something that I will be looking to do then. Tom, if you've got any questions about Cluster, just jump on, talk to Raj on live chat at samuelcotrading.com, or even jump on the Telegram group and ask some of the guys that are using it. They've got some great advice of what they would be doing. And I've got to reiterate, we've got newspapers, we have got magazines all asking for my opinion on the BOE interest rate, or on where do I see cable going, where do I see cryptos going. So we're getting really seen now as those experts within the market of where the market is going. So that newsletter is going to be pretty accurate because I'm writing it, and that's where a lot of the papers are asking me for that information. So you get it first from myself, rather than reading it in the paper a few days later. I think that's everything. So we've got the event, we've got the newsletter, Quant Caddy, cluster algorithm. Any questions in the house? I really want to go. It's on my doorstep too. Colin, get down there.
Okay, don't make any sudden moves.
Get a seat before they're gone. Time to liquidate position. Good stuff, Kevin. So would you be closing at US dollar yen? Yes, we would indeed. And so now when we're looking at the US dollar yen, is my screen still sharing? Yeah, it is, yeah. So when we look at the US dollar yen position now, you can see how we've now got the red. So it's confirmed it's a seller's market, and it's saying get out. So it's nice seeing some stalling in the market. So we want to obviously get out of that position. So that is a good place to be. Chat, let's have some more questions. Any more questions for me, guys? Jonathan, you jumped ahead of the schedule there, didn't you, bud? Keen bean. Jonathan, where are you based? Shout out which country you're based in, or whereabouts you're based. London, right? I'll send you an SCL Wealth t-shirt. Make sure that you drop HR a message, and I'll send you one for being an awesome guy. Make sure you wear it if you're coming to the event as well in next week. Keith, I will definitely obviously let people know when it's released. That's what I'm here for.
I was elected to lead, not to read.
Obviously, guys, you're going to have to bear with me on some of the updates and stuff like that. We've got like absolute mental stuff to do. We've got all the KYC to do for Yieldcoin, which is obviously our cryptocurrency that we're launching. Super excited. Some mad stuff up our sleeves as well with that. We're literally going from strength to strength at Samuel Co Trading. Things are only going to get better. As a thank you, can you buy the F12N Largo? Oh, isn't it nice? 450 grand car.
Really, the only word for it is...
Jeez, mental. Sam, what's the updates on Fusion? So we've got some sort. We're gonna involve encryption. It's on my board actually. So Fusion upgrade. So we're gonna move to pending orders. So we're gonna allow pending orders on there on the hedge levels, which will de-risk the volatility. So when the market spikes, it'll get out of the positions a lot quicker.
Holy crap, you're quick.
And it'll also have a little bit of AI built into the market, which will allow for more optimized entries and optimized exits. So it'll be smoother running. It's a natural transition for an upgrade, but it is going to take me a little while. I've got to write all the inputs and variables, get my coding team to do it for me, and get it all kind of tested and run. I don't want to give something that's just been tested and it's got bugs in it, things like that. We don't really want to go down that route. So yeah, it'll be soon. So that is Sam's on the updates. As I'll be there for an update. I'll be up for an update to my Fusion. My t-shirt was too small. Please start doing XXL. No!
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Yeah, the largest one we got is large, but it's pretty big. You must be a tall lad. Can we leave Fusion without human interaction? Akil, you can, but we'd like to obviously advise turn it on a Monday and turn it off on a Friday. I mean, that's also going to be built into the new one, so it will automatically close on a Friday. But the problem is when you do an auto close, you'd have to do an auto close below a certain risk, I suppose. So it closes. But there are some stuff in there. Need an XL, Sam?
No!
Jeez, are you lot units or something? Are you lot all like big bodybuilders or something? I'm missing something out. I mean, I'm only like 5'8", 5'9" on the best of days.
Enough!
My large is a bit tight. Jeez, you lads, it must be solid. What's going on?
I will not be bullied by that.
These lot are on growth hormones or something, Raj. They're all units. All of them are XXL, XL. Yeah, Raj took a smaller. What a wuss. He thinks he's the biggest man in Watford. Awesome stuff. So, they're big lads. Yeah, solid. Must be, too funny. Anyone got any other questions for me? I can see a couple of questions there on the Q&A. What are you having for dinner? I woofed it down before I started the webinar. I had pasta. It's pretty cool with bolognese, but I don't really know why it's relevant, but cool. With volatility low, what's your advice on trading the Aussie CPI at 2:30 a.m? I don't really trade it, to be fair. Yeah, I mean, I would probably stay away from it if I'm honest with you, Ben. Size 12 feet, and the rest of me is in proportion. Just start advertising Smartburn to them. I'm obese, that's why I need XL. Oh dear. Edamame, there we go. Salmon Jack, good stuff. Soybeans, yeah, exactly. Me being healthy. See, any other questions we got? Yeah, so next week you can tell we're already pumped. It's like so many people already attending the event. It's just going to be epic. We haven't really done too much advertising on it either. We haven't done any public advertisement. It's all been just through social media. So super excited to see you guys there and actually,
Keep it down.
really meet everyone. What we're going to do, we're going to do a Twitch as well later this week where everyone can ask a question. And the question that gets asked the most will be asked to the Forex and crypto panels, which will be awesome. So your questions will actually be asked in the panel discussion by these experts. I'm so excited to actually have some of these guys. Some of these guys really are experts in their field, and we're so happy to have people like Hoxton Capital, Rego Wealth. And these guys are flying over from South Africa to come and see you. Matthew Wright is flying over from South Africa to come see you. We've got guys flying over from Dubai, Abu Dhabi. And we've got people travelling all the way from Watford as well to London. I mean, it's a long distance. These guys from Dubai are moaning, but we've got a long way to go from Watford to London. Sam has recorded the event. I don't really want to record it. I really want everyone to be there so that we have a great time together. So it may be at a later stage, but not right now. Ben Jukes, if you've ordered Cluster, you'll be contacted by our coding team, and they'll literally just ask you what your account number is, and they will set that up for you. What time frame can we use Quant Caddy on, Sam? Alex, I would advise using it on the 5 minute and 15 minutes, but not really any higher than that. Keith, that's fine. All is well for that. You indeed are on the VIP. Don't worry, buddy. Got you. Brilliant. Cheers, Sam. It's Quant Caddy part of Fusion. It's not. It's kind of like a segregated part of Fusion. So, well, I suppose it is like Fusion. It's using Fusion's management system. So it is using the way that Fusion hedges. Yeah. Plus, just alerted a potential sell on cable. Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah. Do you see cable hitting 1.38 this week? Oh, let's have a look. I mean, it's got the potential, hasn't it? It really does have that potential. I mean, it could even go as low back down to the 1.379 area, 95, around that area before we see a rebound high. But obviously, the interest rate decision is, I still believe they're going to raise interest rates, and I think that's going to absolutely rocket pound higher. So, because it's not factored in. So, really hoping that's going to be the case, as that's what I like. But I'm going to have to go because otherwise I'm not going to have a life. Right, any other questions? If not, I'm going to go home and try have a life. I've been here since early hours. It's been awesome, guys, talking to you guys as well. Again, newsletter. Would love for you guys to all join me and let me know your opinions. It's an awesome page, Patreon. Evelyn, thank you so much for introducing me to it.
I appreciate you.
Great software, and absolutely been a pleasure. So, again, there's the newsletter. The event, I hope you all come in. It's going to be ace to see you all. Super excited to see you all. Register for the event there. And if you want, what's the Twitch address? Good question. I like going live on Twitch. There you go. You can go over to twitch.tv/SamLeach, click follow, and you'll get notified when I go live. And that's usually me live trading, so you can see what I'm doing all the time, which is cool. Also doing Q&As throughout the day. Is that everything? I don't think anyone needs any further details from me. Anyone need anything else from me? No, all good, all good. All right, awesome, guys. See you later, guys. Have an awesome evening. Take care, and I will catch you all later.
You'll feel away. You'll feel away about me. You'll feel away. You'll feel away about me. You'll feel away. You'll feel away about